Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making chocolate chip cookies together. All right, let's get going. All right, first step, we're gonna combine the butter and the 2 sugars. We're gonna mix it together until it's super creamy. All right, now that you got that nice and creamy, we're gonna mix in 2 eggs, but we're gonna do it one at a time. Okay, now that you got the eggs mixed in, we're gonna mix in the vanilla, the baking soda, a little bit of water, and the salt. Okay, so next, let's mix in the flour. All right, now that our flour is mixed in, let's pour in our chocolate chips. All right, so my oven is warmed up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. These guys are ready to go. I'm gonna pop them in for 10 to 12 minutes and then they'll be ready to eat. All right, so I had a feeling that I took really big scoops to make these cookies and you can see they came out humongous. So I had to cook these, I had to bake these for about 15 minutes to come out perfect. You want them just to be a little bit golden brown when you take them out. You can already see them turning a darker brown. But these are still gonna be absolutely delicious. They're just large. All right, let's dig in. All right guys, thanks for watching my video. As always, if you liked the video, hit the like button. Please subscribe, it really helps the channel. I'll be making a lot more videos for you. Stay tuned. All right, see you next time.